6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy, man.
It's from my mother for letting me sing. Nothing to lose is the deadliest thing. So I ain't gon' stop till I get me a ring. From bottom to top, peasant to king. And it ain't just you. We all got demons, but still have to choose whether to feed them. I don't know no snooze or tattling all PM. So whether the booth or pack Coliseum, still this is the truth. Fuck what you believe in, I aim to improve. For music with meaning, surpassing my master, the student achieving. I'm writing all day at the stew in the evening. What takes y'all a month, I do in a weekend. The homie I handed this 9 mil, cause he said he needed for when it gets heated. Like if they don't pull it, shit I will. Being pulled apart by that cold heart, sipping antifreeze till his mind ill. He a real man, so he cried still with that gun in hand as his eyes filled. So I said chill, need to slow down, you don't know the trouble this cash brings. This is what they mean when asking why do good people do bad things. Then right then my phone rings, it's Trizzy Whip, more bad news, more Jameson, more funerals, more sad songs, more tattoos. Goddamn dude, who is it now? So many gone, I'm losing count.
This nigga be like, oh my god.
I do this for my mother for letting me sing. Nothing to lose is the deadliest thing. So I ain't gon' stop till I get